Brendan, lead operator, June Mountain. How's it going?
Oh, good. How's it going?
It's going pretty good, man. How do you liking the mountain?
You know, beautiful day. Pretty warm out. Excellent.
How many years you been working up here?
I'm here at June Mountain. This is my second year.
Second year?
Yep.
Tell us about a typical work day.
Typical work day. Show up, jump on a snowmobile, cruise around, eat lunch, call it a day.
Sounds real good. Any other shout outs or anything you want to do?
Yeah, I'd like to make a shout out to my homeboy. No, I'm just kidding. No, that's about it.
What's the most difficult thing about working at June Mountain?
Waking up? Yeah.
That's about it?
That's about it.
Any other highlights?
No.
How about being the lead as opposed to just a regular lifty?
Oh, that's the shit. Then, if you're just regular lifting, you gotta sit in there all day. If you're a lead, you can drive a snowmobile all day. Quite the difference.
So you enjoy driving the snowmobile?
Yeah. Yes, I do.
Well, that's what's up. This is Brendan, June Mountain, signing off.